Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox video, and today we're going to be doing another episode of checking out some of your guys' solar systems. So today we've got two systems to check out from the user Customize222 and the other user iSca Head and Back. Hope I'm saying that right. It's a bit of a funny name in Discord here, but without further ado, let's get straight into this. So the first system is from the user Customize222, and their system name is My Custom Solar System by Titanic Big Ship. So I guess they go by two names. So we'll go into Workshop here, and they should be down here. I've already set it up. Okay, so here we go. So by Titanic Big Ship. Okay, here we are. Cool. And they've just put my here. Okay, right. Let's see what we've got. Oh, I do like the orbits. Okay, right. So all the way down to the center. Alrighty. Okay. So here's the star itself. I'm not going to bother even trying to say it because I will definitely get it wrong. So here's the star. Looks to be a red dwarf, or maybe even like red-brown, a very, very small red dwarf stats, maybe even brown dwarf stats, very, very dim. So there's the star. First of the planets, we've got this ice-looking frozen world here. Obviously, being around a star like this, I mean, you're going to have to be quite close for liquid water to appear, but even being this close, 198 degrees, so still a pretty warm planet there. Okay. If we look at the zone, it's a very, very small zone as well. So this one is in the red area. Next up, we've got Unax over here. So this one's at 69 degrees. So more of a desert-looking world, actually. Got a lot of water going on. Not a lot of water at all, actually. I mean, I do like the way the waters appear, like little patterns and stuff. That's quite cool. So there's that one. Okay, moving on, we've already been to that one. That was the first one. Okay, so next up, we have got this one. So we've got a blue world. This one's at minus 200 degrees though, so it's very cold underneath here. That's what it looks like underneath. So looking good, but yeah, very, very cold. So it must be quite a reflective world to have that sort of stuff. Okay, next up we're taking a bit of a jump out to Nus Tattoo over here. This one's at 500 degrees. I wonder why. Has it had a collision? Oh, maybe it's tidal heating with this object being so close. So it has a moon. Moon is dangerously close in orbit there. Okay, so there's that. Next up, we're taking a jump to Nustov over here. So this one, again, it's cold. I think we're out of the star's really habitable reaches now. I mean, this is a very, very dim star. So there it is. Got some nice oceans on it. Quite a... Oh, I do like it the way it looks underneath, actually. So it's got... Okay, that is interesting. So look how it all goes green. So this side, is it tidally locked? Maybe. Let's have a little rotate. Whoa, what has happened here? That's a very interesting world. So it looks like a crater's like smashed into it on the dark side. Interesting. You can see where the crater is, where all the city lights end. Oh, that's weird. Okay. It looks like it has one moon. Tiny little moon here as well. Not really much to report on there. Alright, so next up, we have got this red one here. So another sort of frozen ice world, as we can see. Obviously very, very cold at this distance. I mean, there's not going to be much more habitable worlds now since we're out of the star's range. So we've also got this one. Whoa, a lot of moons around it as well. So there it is there. So again, another frozen ice world. There's a lot of frozen ice worlds, but I think that's to be expected. Okay, next up we got this one. So we've got an all-red world. So here it is here. Very, very mysterious. Let's have a little look underneath. And there you are. So blue, actually, with reddish coloured clouds going on. All right. Then we have the purple one over here. So what's this? So another all-red planet. Okay. So quite identical to its twin we just saw, but different surface colour underneath. Okay. So there it is. Nice. Okay, next up we've got some asteroids. I mean, I guess these are all asteroids. Yeah, these are definitely all asteroids. These have all just been spam clicked in here. So you got all of those. Next up, we've got Uphent over here. So this is a gas giant. First of the gas objects in here. So have a zoom in on it. So the lone gas giant. We can see the starlight's getting a bit dim over here. That we are getting pretty far away from our parent star. So I mean, it's not very bright. If we look here, 4.08 years. So I mean, it's not the furthest thing ever in, but it is very dim due to the star's distance. Okay, next up we got this. We got another star. Well, I say a star. It's more of a brown dwarf actually. So a very, very hot gas giant. All the way over here. So obviously the warmest object for quite a while. But yeah, just chilling in the far sort of depths of the system. So there's that. Next up we have got this blue one. So another nice gas giant. I do like the colour scheme on this one. But again, very, very dark out here. We are losing the stars to light completely at this point. So there's that one. And then next up we got another red trailed one, but for a green and blue planet. And yeah, there you go. It's completely sort of pitch black here now. And I think any object further out, I'm assuming these are all just asteroids. There's a gas giant there actually, but it looks like they're all just random gas giants. They don't look customized. And I think everything further out, I think they are all just... Yeah, I think they're all just random names and stuff. But I mean, yeah, it looks like they are all just dwarf planets, ice worlds. I do quite like the way the orbits are out here. I have to say they are quite uniquely designed. And it does look more natural looking than just an all spherical orbit. So, yeah, okay, cool. So there is that system, guys. So yeah, that was the My Solar System by Titanic. Titanic Big Ship. So yeah, that is the first simulation of the day. So that was submitted by the user Customized222 on Discord. So massive thank you to them for sending this in. But now moving on to the second system of today's episode. So this is the Helios system, and this is from the user iScoutHdenback. So that's this system here. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Did I click on it? Come on. Come on, game. There we are. We want to go in there. Oh, I think we have a problem. Is it going to open? What's going on here? Look at this. I'm trying to open a workshop and it's not working. Let's try go to a fresh solar system. Oh, actually, it looks like something's broken in here because we can't go anywhere. Whoa. So if you press play, things start to change. But you can see I'm trying to go into the solar system simulation. We can't actually get into any simulation. I've never seen that glitch before. So let me just bear with me, guys. I'm going to reboot the game. Alright, everyone. So now it actually let me in. So yeah, rebooted the game. Luckily, we are in now. So this is the Helios system. So the Helios system contains 5 planets: Vulcan, Tyche, Teles, Hades, and Erebus, and 1 dwarf planet, Kull. Okay, right. So we've got quite a short system here. So we'll probably be finishing up after this one. So here it is. So star, very, very sun-like in appearance, as we can see. So quite similar in all of its stats. Next to us, we got Vulcan here. So first, the planet's surface lock stuff can go away. So here it is. So an all rocky planet, similar to Mercury in some aspects, I guess. So it's just small and fairly warm in temperature. Right, so there we are. Next up, we got this one. So here we are. That is looks quite similar to the first one, actually. So there's that. Then jumping on to Teles over here. So this one has a few. There we go. So an object actually customized. Cool. So here is this one. Looking good. So I quite like the design on that, actually. And it's also got Teles 2 over here and a planet with no, or a moon with no name. Okay. But yeah, that's definitely the best looking planet by far so far. Okay, next up we got Hades. So this is a gas giant over here. Looking good. It's also got some moons. Not really much in the customization department, I have to say. I mean, they've been named, but that's really about it. So there they are. And then next up, we've got Erebus, and then that is the end of this system. So this one was way too small, I have to say. I mean, that's why I've started doing 2 per episode, because spending a whole episode on a system like this, I mean, the episode will be, what, a minute long? I mean, how long have I been filming this segment? I mean, I've been filming for 1 minute 48. So, I mean, I can't just make an episode just on one system like this. That's why I'm doing 2 now. Because, yeah, there we are. But, yeah, just as an example, guys, so I've been saying this in the last few episodes. Please submit larger systems, because this is way too fast for one episode. With this system in particular. So, yeah, I mean, that's it. And then we're done. That literally is everything. Oh, there's one more. We've got Cole over here. But, yeah, other than that, that's literally everything. So, please, if you're going to submit a system, please go a little bigger, because this is way too quick for one episode. So, there we are. But, yeah, luckily we've already done a system in today's episode as well. So, that sort of balances it out a bit. But yeah, please keep that in mind when submitting, because I actually did skip through a few systems before because they were literally free objects. It took me about, I don't know, 30 seconds to get through it all. So yeah, please submit larger stuff and maybe add some reading in as well, because that obviously gives more to the system as well. But yeah, please keep that in mind if you want to submit simulations. And also, if you'd like to submit a simulation, make sure to join my Discord server, link in the description. And yeah, guys, with that all said and done, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and make sure to subscribe for more. Helps on the journey to 23,000 subscribers, guys. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.